Now this question said that Jim and Joe had a total of 1,320 stickers. After Jim gave 2/5 of his stickers to Joe, Joe had 120 more stickers than Jim. How many more stickers did Jim have than Joe at first? Alright, let's start off with the statement that says that Jim gave 2/5 of his sticker to Joe. Alright, when this statement says that 2/5 of his sticker to Joe, that means to say that Jim had 5 units of sticker, but he gave away 2 units to Joe. That means to say that Jim would have 5 minus 2, 3 units left, because he gave away 2 units to Joe. Alright, and the question said that Joe had 120 more stickers than Jim because of this. So we trace the model down. Though in the end, Joe would have $120 stickers more than Jim's. So the model is 120 more or longer than Jim's model as such. So what happened at first? At first, so the total they had is 1320. At first, okay, so that means to say when we give back Jim's units of sticker that have been given to Joe at first, alright, we give it back to Jim. So Jim would have 5 units. That is before that Jim gave the 2 units away, right? And what about Joe? Joe would have only whatever in green here, a unit and 120. That is for Joe. And the total is the same, 1320. By looking at either of the models, okay, and equating it, you will be able to tell that 6 units is equal to 1,320 minus 120, which is equal to 1,200. That is for 6 units. And therefore 1 unit will be 1,200 divided by 6. That is equal to 200. Question asks, how many more stickers did Jim have than Joe at first? So we look at model at first. Okay, Jim had 5 units, Joe had 1 unit and 120. So the difference is, we can actually by finding the difference, we can do cancellations. Alright, whatever we cancel from Jim, we cancel from Joe. 1 unit from Jim, 1 unit from Joe. Alright, so from here we know that actually Jim had 4 units and Joe had 120. In difference is 4 units minus 120. Since 1 unit is equal to 200, 4 units will be 800. So it becomes 800 minus 120. Alright, so do your subtraction, you'll get 680. Hence the answer is Jim had 680 stickers more than Joe at first. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.